Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I made another long summer lace cardigan and I hope you like it. This cardigan is really simple and it's made up of 5 panels. One for the back measures 21 by 31 inches, 2 front panels measures 8 by 31 inches, and 2 sleeves that's 14 by 16 inches. To make the cardigan for the right fit, measure a shirt or sweater. Find the length and the width, and don't forget about the sleeve. The size I made in the video is a small. I used cotton yarn for this project. Each one of this is 50 grams, which is 170 meters long. And this is a #1 superfine yarn, and you'll need 10 of this. A 3.5 millimeter hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and a measuring tape. This is my crochet ring. I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. With this, I can crochet for hours without putting down my hook. It helps to protect my finger when I crochet so that the yarn is not pulling my finger. The link is in the description box along with the materials. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a foundation chain of 104. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm working on the sleeve right now, but you can check the number or chain on the screen for each panel. And the foundation chain must be in multiple of 8. And I made you on round 1. To begin the first round, on the 5th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Turn to the back and place a double crochet into the back of the chain. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again into the next 3 chains. It is not necessary to place the double crochet into the back of the chain. This is just personal preference. And one more double crochet. Now we have 4 double crochet plus the chain at the beginning, which counts as a stitch. So total 5 stitches. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. And skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet into the next 5 chains. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. And double crochet into 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the repeat. Repeat this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you on the next round. To begin round 2, 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. This always counts as a stitch. Skip the next stitch, double crochet into the third stitch, this one. One chain, skip one, double crochet, three chains, 1, 2, 3, skip the chain space, double crochet into the double crochet stitch. One chain, skip one, double crochet, one chain, skip one, double crochet, three chains, 1, 2, 3, skip the chain space, double crochet into the double crochet stitch. One chain, skip one, double crochet, one chain, skip one, double crochet, and this is the repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way to the end, and I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, one chain, skip the next stitch. You can either place a double crochet into the top of the chain or in the space here. And this round is complete. To begin round 3, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Double crochet into the chain space, double crochet, double crochet into the chain space, and double crochet into the double crochet stitch. Total 5 double crochet stitches. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip the 3 chain space, double crochet into the double crochet stitch. Double crochet into the chain space, double crochet, double crochet into the chain space, and double crochet. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip the 3 chain space and double crochet into the next 5 stitches. And repeat this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, place a double crochet into the last chain space and double crochet into the top of the third chain. 1, 2, 3. And this round is complete. The next round is the repeat of round 2. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. skip the next stitch, double crochet into the third stitch. One chain, skip one, double crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, one chain, skip one, double crochet, one chain, skip one, double crochet. From here, repeat the last 2 rounds for as many times as you like. The measurements are at the beginning of the video, so you can refer to that. This is the sleeve I'm working on, and you can decide if you want it all the way to the wrist, to the elbow, or in between. Once the panels reach the length you want, you may cut yarn. Again, this is the sleeve I'm working on. At the end of the sleeve, one chain and turn, and make the final round to be a single crochet round. And we are only doing this on the sleeve panels. Single crochet into the first stitch, single crochet into the chain space, single crochet, single crochet into the chain space, single crochet. In the 3 chain space, place 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. And again, single crochet, and repeat this all the way to the end. At the end of the final round, single crochet into the last chain space, and single crochet into the 3rd chain of the chain stitch. One chain. Before cutting yarn, fold it in half, and leave a long tail for stitching. Stitch the edges of the layers together. Once it's done, stitch all the panels together using the same method. And lastly, attach a piece of yarn at one of the corners of the cardigan. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, one chain. Place 2 single crochet on the double crochet stitch. Two single crochet into the chain space. Two single crochet into the double crochet stitch. And 2 single crochet into the chain space. Okay, we just finished single crochet along the edge of the front panel. This is the connection of the front panel and the back panel, where the shoulder is. This is the back panel. This is the connection of the other front panel. front panel. At the back panel here, on the 3 chain space, place 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, single crochet, single crochet into the 1 chain space, single crochet, single crochet into the 1 chain space, single crochet, and 3 single crochet into the 3 chain space. And single crochet all the way around, and I meet you at the end of the round. After we single crochet all the way around and back to the beginning, if you want to, you can do another round of single crochet, but I'll stop here. Cut yarn after the last stitch and join the round by using a yarn needle. Insert into the first stitch, and insert into the back loop of the previous stitch. And lastly, fasten off. I hope you like the cardigan, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!